Hi guys, it is me Ada. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my clothes that I found in my closet because we've been in a pandemic, and last year I did not wear much of any of my clothes. So I have a lot of clothes that were untouched last year. So I wanted to make sure that I know what I have before I even try going shopping. And I suggest that you do that as well because we have been in a pandemic. A lot of us don't have very much money to waste on things that we really don't need. So check your closet, make sure that you're not duplicating things. That is my whole goal of this clothing haul, is to show you guys what I do have in my closet that if I went shopping without checking, I would duplicate these things. So I'm going to show you all these prints. They're all very similar, and if I were to shop and get the same thing, then what am I going to do with these? I may end up not wearing most of them, so I'd rather just wear the ones that I have right now, get my money's worth out of them before I go and start buying new ones that are similar to them. You get me? Okay, so that's it. So without further ado, let's go. So we're gonna go with this one that I'm wearing. Okay, let me model it for you. Okay, so this one, you see how it is? Ain't it cute? So yeah, it's got this extra, right? So, all right, and I paired it with these cute shoes. And I don't remember where I got the shoes from, but they're cute, aren't they? Maybe Macy's, I think. I buy most of my things from Macy's or Steinmart. So one of those stores I probably got these. They're really nice and comfortable. And then I paired it with these earrings as well. These earrings. I got these earrings from Charming Charlie's. Charming Charlie's is where I get most of my jewelry as well. So let's do the next one, all right? So guys, this is one of my favorite pieces from my closet from a couple of springs ago. Okay, I bought this from Boston Proper. Boston Proper is one of the clothing stores that I shop at. They send me their catalog. It's like I shop through their catalog. They usually send it to me and I place orders, and it's one of the stores that still send me catalogs. They have really nice pieces, and this is one of the things that I ordered. I like that it's very lightweight. It covers everything, but yet you feel like you're not wearing any heavy clothing because it's so light. And I like the arms. You see how this fluffy arms, I think this is trending right now. And then it has wide legs. I like the wide legs. I like that it has wide legs, and they were actually very long. It went past my feet, and thank goodness I know how to sew, so I was able to adjust it, hem it, and lift it up a little bit because I like my feet to show. I like to show off my shoes. I paired it with these pink sandals, which shows, as I'm wearing it, because like I said, I cut it a little bit so that it will show my feet. It's nice and airy, so I love it. Yes, I do. And then I paired it with these earrings that I bought from Steinmart or Macy's. Steinmart is one of the stores that I shop at as well. They have clothes like Macy's and, very nice quality clothing. But unfortunately, they closed during this pandemic. I was so sad when I heard it. But yeah, of course, because I didn't shop very much there during the pandemic, and I'm sure likewise other people didn't shop either. So they had to shut down. And so yes, I am going to miss shopping there because it was always a go-to place for me. If I need to wear something, for an event or something, I can always just run down there, or when I'm out and about, just stop there and grab something. There's always something there that I could find to wear. But unfortunately, they are no longer there. So I wish them good luck. I hope that all the employees were able to find employment somewhere else. So then I paired it with this watch. This is an Anne Klein watch. I love Anne Klein watches. I have several of them. So yes, this is my outfit. This is one of my favorite pieces of this type. Okay, so yeah, so I'll change to the next one and show you. Like I said, I have a lot of prints like this, and I guess I just have an infinity to prints that look like this because I ended up buying a whole bunch of things that look like this. So I did not want to go shopping again and end up buying a few more things like this when I have a whole bunch already that I haven't worn. So yeah. So let's show you the next one. Okay, see the arm close up? Close up. See? All right. This is another piece that I got from Boston Proper. Isn't it cute? So I also got this from Boston Proper around the same time that I got this. I think I ordered them both at the same time. So this piece I love as well. I think it's really cute to wear to like a dinner party or a nice date. So I love this. I love that it has this white accent here. I like the off the shoulder, and I like for that to show more. I'm trying to figure out how to lower this so that that piece could show. And I also see how it is over here as well. That trim, that white trim, I love that. And I want to find somehow to let it show, okay, because I love it. And I love this. It's just very stylish. I love how this goes this way and then it's off the shoulder. And, it just makes for a very nice, cute style. And I'm pairing it with the same earrings. I think it goes very well with these pink earrings that I'm wearing. And same shoes. I think it goes well with these shoes as well. I would have worn white shoes, but I don't have a pair of white shoes that will go nice with it. So I think this goes very nicely with it. So I love it. I just think it's a very stylish dress. And I can't wait to have somewhere to wear it to. So spring and summer 2021, here I come. All right, so that's this one. Again. Here's another piece that I got from Steinmart, this shirt. See, I told you guys I have so many of these types of print, right? Like, see, they're all blue and white striped. So yeah, I have several of these. That's why I wanted to check and make sure that I don't go duplicating stuff. So this is a cute little piece. It's asymmetrical shoulder, and it's kind of airy right here. It has a layer here. And then and it's lightweight. I like that. And I paired it with these red capri that I also got from Steinmart, right? And then these shoes also came from Steinmart. See, I shop there a lot. So that's why I'm so sad that they're shut down. All right, so this is a cute little piece that I have also. Yeah, that I wanted to share with you all. So here's another piece. This blouse is also got the same print or similar print as the others, blue and white. So see how cute it is? It's kind of off the shoulder here, and then it goes up this way. And it's very lightweight as well. It's something that you wear on a really hot day, and you won't feel like you're wearing much. I love it. So I paired it with these jeans that I bought, I believe, from either Macy's or Steinmart. And yeah, and I paired it with these earrings from Forever 21. And these shoes I bought from Macy's. These came from Macy's. So this is this look. I think it's a very casual look, and I love it. It makes me feel very comfortable and not too dressed up, but at the same time I'm dressed, right? So this is one of the prints that are similar to a lot of the ones that I already got, that I wanted to make sure that I do not duplicate. Yes, here it is again. Paired it with this earring that has some pink, as well as the shoe has some pink. Let me show you the shoe. My shoe has pink as well. So isn't that cute? All right. So guys, here's outfit number 5. All right. Very similar print as blue again, and blue, so see. And again, this is off the shoulder, and I guess I just have an eye for similar types of clothing. So they're all very similar in a lot of ways. That is why I needed to check my closet before I went shopping. So if you are like me, you better check your closet before you shop, because you will end up duplicating. All right, so this is, I paired it with these jeans that I also got from Stein Mart, and these shoes that I got from, I don't remember where I got these shoes from, but they are cute, aren't they? So yeah, this is the outfit number 5. All right. Okay. So this one is very casual. It's also very airy and very lightweight. They're all lightweight. That's what they all have in common, is that they're all lightweight. These are like summer clothes, really. You know, spring, summer, you know, spring is warming up, and then summer's really hot. So these are the kind of things that I wear, you know, around this time of year. So, yeah. So that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this. As you know, my channel is about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you already subscribed to me, thank you very much for subscribing. If you are not, please subscribe so that you can see the rest of my videos. All right? Until next time, have a blessed day, and bye-bye.